I first came to Dr. Miller because I was afraid of dental work. I had had several bad experiences in my early to mid 20s. I had been moving around the country for my job every 6 months, and I went through a string of dentists that were just not pleasant. And I became very afraid of the Novocaine needles and would pretty much come out of my chair. They're so good here at Dentistry Dental with applying a topical anesthetic so that you don't ever feel the Novocaine needle, and Dr. Miller is very gentle in the application of the Novocaine needle. So right from my very first visit, I felt at ease with his practice. That was actually the very reason I was here. For the first time, I had recently moved to the Dallas area and had a different dentist, and they were indicating that I needed to have a crown because a cavity needed to be replaced, and it was going to be so large that there wasn't enough tooth to save. And I just was too afraid to let them do that, and I had put it off for 2 years. And finally, a friend of mine who had been going to Dr. Miller's office for a number of years referred me to them, and he said, guaranteed they'll be very gentle and you don't have to be afraid of anything. And that was absolutely the truth.